Hi, welcome back to my channel. I Can Sew. Of course, I'm Kendra, and I'm happy to be here. It's kind of late at night, but I'm here for you because I wanted to talk about how I feel duped by these duplicate pattern packages. What do you say? You're saying? What are you talking about? Well, sometimes it's not a matter of whether or not they've re-released the pattern, because I have seen that, and they have re-released it with a different package, right? That kind of makes me feel duped, but I really feel duped when they literally like recreate the pattern and they may package it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you what I'm talking about. While I'm getting this, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, be prepared to share it. This is a conversation starter. So this is the first thing I'm talking about. I was out one day and I saw this package here. Can you see it? Let me make sure see if I need to turn the light down here for you. Okay. See this package here? It is 8014, right? Great pattern piece. A lot of people love it, love it, love it. I've made it once, I think. I want to make it again as the maxi dress, but we're going to talk about that later because that's a whole nother story. That's not my point here. The other thing is I was in Simplicity and they were having an anniversary thing. And what do we have here? What do we have here? Now, don't pay attention to this because you know when it's on display in the store, the display package usually says something different than what you'll find in the drawer. So that's why the number is different. But when I open this up here, look at that, look at that. 8014, right? Same thing here. Let me see if this has it written twice, because I actually didn't even open this one yet because I already had one, of course. So I didn't need to open it. No, this one doesn't have both numbers on it. But look at this. Look. Look. See what I'm saying? Now, the thing here is, sometimes when I go to the store, I can remember the package, right? Not necessarily the number, but I remember the outfit. And when I got this, not gonna lie, I got it because the black lady was on there, but also because I love the piece and I saw a lot of people with this piece. And I thought it'd be really cute to make this plaid one here, which is what I did make, minus the tabs, because you know, you guys know I don't make tab sleeves. And yeah, I came home and I already had it. Now, sometimes I will buy something in a different size. Like I might buy it in a smaller size. So, you know what? I actually have 3 of these because I bought this one twice because I bought it in a smaller size, like 0 through 14 or something like that. And then I went back and bought it again in the larger, I know you can't see it, in the larger size. And then I went back and got duped again, duplicate. All right? But that's one thing, because in that case, if I had remembered the number, then I wouldn't have got twice. Plus, a lot of times, I can just chalk that up to me needing, in case I mess up one or actually cut a wrong size or whatever, I'll still have more if I didn't trace the pattern. But let me point this out to you. Ready? You ready? This right here. $197 from Walmart, right? Now, does this look familiar? If you've watched my videos, it should, because I sewed this particular one in with the red lips all over it, and I did a review on it already. I've also made this tote bag here several times. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen it. What is my name on Instagram? Can Sew Fit. KANSEWFIT. Now check this one out. See this here? This here, right? Does I look familiar? Or J? Either one. Does this one up here is not the same as this here. But check this out. Y is, I actually think it's I. Why is I here? See, And then we have here. They look different. They've been sewn up with two different patterns, but it is the same thing. And what I did was I opened it up to make sure that I wasn't tripping, because when I made it, I was like, these pieces look the same. It is the same. So, although in this one here, there are like 9 different, let me see, 9 different bags, which is a bonus, right? This one here costs $17.95. Now, I don't know anybody who's paid full price for a pattern, so we're not going to trip off that. But even if I had paid $197 for it, or I've seen it $199 for it, used to be 99 cents. I'm pretty sure I got this for 99 cents. I usually see it where it's 40% off in Joann's. You can find a little cheaper on Walmart, maybe like $10, $11 on Walmart. In Walmart. And it's on Amazon too, and it's usually cheaper than whatever price is listed here. But that does not compare to this being $197, and it's the same thing. And I feel duped. Do you feel duped? We should feel duped. Well, you think I found one? I found another. Just in my stash alone. And what made me think about this was, first of all, I told you I already have 3 of Simplicity 8014. But I realized that a lot of times the pieces that I like to wear and that I feel like might look good on me, the bodice is similar, and the pieces and the bottom might be similar. So I watch a lot of people on Instagram and YouTube, as you know, who are constantly Frankensteining them, where they're matching packages, things to make one set. So at one point there was this long maxi shirt style dress that a lot of people were wearing, and this one lady on there, her name is like Skirt Boss, I think. I'm just pretty sure it's her name. She used this maxi version here to make the dress. Another pimp. All right, here we go. To make the dress. Whereas I've seen a lot of other people use a different McCall pattern to make that same style. And that's what had me thinking, like, are they I know those 2 different companies, but how many of these are being repackaged? And guess what else I saw? Bam. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I only picked this up because it was probably 99 cents or $1.99 at the time, because the front of this doesn't wow me. You know, it's the styling of this girl here. It's a little just off. Where are you going, ma'am? In 2018, when I probably bought this, where are you going? Remember back in the day, like in the 90s, when you used to take your hair, put it and like do this twist thing and clamp it? Yeah, where are you going? And then you got on sparkle ear. Listen, let me not get sidetracked because you know me. But let's focus on this lovely beauty here, right? With the twists around the waist. That is beautiful, right? Beautiful. And it says here, Simplicity Summer, made specifically for the summertime, right? Let me see if it has a release date on this, because I want to make sure I'm getting this right. Well, this is 2012. I didn't buy this in 2012. I wasn't even sewing in 2012. So, but this came out. I bought this, right? I don't think they came out in 2012. I don't know what that's about. Let me see when this came out. Maybe I'm misreading something. This one says 2015. Maybe not. Anyways, check this out. Because I don't want you to miss this 97 cents. I also bought this at Walmart. This used to be part of Simplicity's So Simple line, which you could only find in Walmart. They don't even list it on the website. Listen. Only in Walmart. It's not there anymore. Now Walmart has moved on to doing like a very easy McCall pattern stuff. So, but if you look in the drawers, these are still in the drawers. So, but let me stay focused here again. Check this out. You can barely see it, but she's got the twist center as well. Yep. So because you can barely see this one, right? You can barely see the twist. And then you have this lady here with hers on. You question it, right? You're like, is this the same dress? Can't be the same dress. Can't be. No way they would charge $16.95 for this and 97 cents for this, right? Well, I am not going to bore you with all the details, but I will tell you that I went through the instructions on these just to make sure that I was not tripping. And here is the line drawing for A. So looks like there are 4 different, anyways, that's not the point. Here's A, line drawing for A, see it? Line drawing for A. Exact same dress. The exact same dress. And then I went even further to read the instructions. So this is dress, well, there's only one dress in here, right? So let me show you this because I want to show you how it's laid out on the package. So this is A. Look how it's laid out. See how A is laid out? I want you to look real carefully to how A is laid out. Right? Pay attention. And here's this one laid out. All right. It's the exact same thing. So what I'm saying for those of you who are saying, what is her point? Is make sure that you are, when you like a style, that you go back home or, stay home and really dig through your patterns and really look at your dresses carefully. Look at the pants carefully. I've noticed that I found some other ones where they've made like coordinates and they've had the shirt, the jacket, and the pants, and then you look really hard and the pants is on a whole other pattern. So they've remade it. I noticed it a lot with a lot of pull-on pants. And so, just make sure you're looking at your pattern and you're not making sure that you're buying twice. I'm not saying they're cheating us because there's nothing wrong with them doing it, but I feel duped by duplicate packaging. I feel duped. And I want you to feel duped with me. I'm not going to stop buying them. I'm going to still start selling. What I am going to do, though, is start buying a lot more indie brands and really kind of support those independent brands out there who are working diligently to bring us multiple styles as well as build their business. So I am going to do that. It's one called Style So Me. I'm going to get one of her items, and I'm going to buy the printed version, not the PDF version. So I'll do a review on that for you all too. But I just want to know, get down in the comments and let me know, have you ever bought multiple patterns because the packaging was different? Or have you noticed that they will take different patterns and combine them with other patterns like coordinates or multiple pant styles and things of that nature and put them all in one package? Am I the only one who's noticed this? I know I'm not crazy because I just showed you 3 examples of when they do it. But I want to know, am I the only one? If there are people out there who hoard patterns, I don't hoard them, but I notice, listen, I could be doing something else with my 99 cents. Simplicity and McCall. I don't buy Butterick because they're not my style. But and I haven't seen Vogue do it. But I'm really funky about Vogue too, because they're expensive as well. So just want to know. Get with me. Let me know. Feel free to share. Anyways, I am Kendra, and this is I Can Sew. Have a good one. Bye.